Hi, I wanted to give you a quick tutorial for how to sign yourself up for virtual classes through our online scheduler. So I'm going to go into screen sharing mode. I just wanted you to see my face to know I was here. You're going to start from our homepage of our website, and then you're going to go to the schedule. One of the things we're most excited about with these virtual classes is that we can now have our friends and family take class with us, even if they live far away. So here we are. Okay, so you've got a calendar at the top. You could just like pick the day you want. Otherwise, you can just kind of scroll down and see what classes are being offered for the next few days. So let's say I want to sign up for this class on Sunday. I'm going to go to the sign up tab, which is then going to kick me over into MindBody Online. Okay, there it's going to prompt you to sign in. If you are a client at our studio and you have a login, please use that same one. If you use MindBody Online at other studios, you can use the same login, and it'll give all your accounts will be together. And then let me just put in a password. And if you're a new customer, just go to that create an account field. All right, so we're going to wait for that to kick over. It's going to ask us to make a reservation. So in this case, we're just going to make a single reservation. At this time, we don't have any classes that are virtual that are recurring. And then it gives you some options for packages. So this is the important part. I just wanted you to see it's the third one down, the Intro to Virtual 3-pack that is the cheapest price right now. Make sure you don't miss that sale. You're going to click that or whatever you want to buy. And then you'll be brought into a little shopping cart if you have everything you need to buy. I have no toilet paper here, I'm afraid. Then you go to that last screen. I mean, I do have toilet paper. Don't worry about me. I just don't have any toilet paper for sale. Okay, so then we go to the checkout screen where you can put in your credit card information, It'll email you a receipt as long as you have that in there, and then you just hit place order. After that, it is going to take you right into the class and you'll be registered for it. From there, I'm going to send you an email that has an actual link to get into the Zoom meeting room. It was really important for us to offer you live virtual classes so that you're still able to ask questions and get the support you need from the instructor. We won't be able to see you quite as well as when we're in class. It's kind of like looking at the Brady Bunch, just a bunch of little tiny squares on the screen. But I have felt like it's been a great way to keep community going and to feel like we stay connected even when we're apart. So I hope to see you on the mat. I hope to see you through the screen, and I hope you're doing okay with everything going on.